Hey y'all, so we just finished up our little walk. It's actually very nice outside, very beautiful, and we came like a little later than normal, so it's like really peaceful and calm. It's not like all this traffic and noise, and I feel like when we go like earlier in the morning, you know, everybody's up and out like walking their dog first thing in the morning, or it's just like a lot of traffic because people are trying to get to work or whatever. So it's just like really noisy, but it's like really peaceful and calm this time of day. And it's just a really beautiful day, just like very sunny, and it's not too hot. It's like a nice little breeze. It's just a really lovely day. So I wish we could stay here a little bit longer and just kind of chill. Maybe we'll do like a little picnic or something this week. But yeah, this vlog is, I think I'll probably just vlog like today and tomorrow. I am just resetting and getting my life back on track, my health and my fitness. Like, if I can be completely transparent, I don't have no reason to lie on this channel. Like, I don't need to come on the internet and lie or pretend to be something I'm not. But like, being completely transparent, I've been exercising, I've been, you know, doing my workouts, but my eating has been absolute trash. I've definitely engaged in some emotional eating. It's just been a lot of processed foods, sugar, dairy, sodium, fried foods, and I literally kind of just got to a point where I just started to feel very sick. I'm just like, okay, let's stop and do some reflecting and get to the root of why you're emotionally eating, and let's fix this. So today I am getting back on track, and just making sure I'm trying to get over 10K steps a day, because it's really not hard for me to do 10K steps, like especially if we're coming to the park and we're taking walks. I'm pretty much up and active throughout the day, and so I want to get more than 10K steps. So maybe we'll aim for like 12K. But yeah, I want to just get back focused on just moving my body, doing a lot of cardio. So yeah, I definitely am just in need of a reboot and a fresh start, and just putting myself first. It's incredibly hard to do as a mom, but I have to, like, I have to do it. I woke up this morning and had a little prayer time, and I read my devotional on like self-esteem and like how God sees you and how you should see yourself the way that God sees you. So that's a good like start to the day, and I want to just keep up those habits and making sure I'm just having healthier habits. It's not really going to be like a what I eat in a day. It's more so just like how I'm resetting and the healthy habits that I'm changing. On my reset journey. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I have something else to share with you. We're back home, so I just put 2 of these chicken strips in the air fryer, and I'm just gonna eat them over a salad. And now I'm finally about to make my coffee. nice little walk. Well, walk, but mostly on the playground. So right now what I've been doing is I just walk and Brooke plays on the playground, as long as like no other kids are really over there. Okay, now I need to think about what I'm gonna eat for the day. I have some avocados that I need to use before they start to go bad. As y'all know, avocados, you got about 2 business days. Depending on how you buy them, I usually buy my avocados like super hard so I have time to use them. I don't really want avocado toast. Maybe I'll do like a burrito wrap type of situation with the avocado. So yeah, I'm gonna think about what I want to eat. We're back home now. I need to shower and get some water. Gotta stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Hydration is so important.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la.
I wanted to show you guys my mini stepper. So I got this off Amazon. I'll leave it linked below. This was, I want to say it was less than $50. It was pretty affordable. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a mini stepper. You can lift this up and adjust the knob, and that will adjust the resistance. So if you want higher resistance, you can adjust it there. And these handles, I really don't need these, but if you are somebody that feels like you do need them, or you struggle with like your balance, then there are handles here if you need them. And yeah, I'm actually pulling this out. Brooke was on it. She likes getting on here, so I just let her. Those are her feet over there. But yeah, I am about to get on here now and just get some more steps in. I think I'm at about 7,000 steps so far, so I want to try to get 10K in before I start my work day. I'm just gonna get on here for maybe like 20 minutes and just get some more steps and burn some more calories for the day.